Today we're going to teach you how to perform the pendulum exercise properly. After your surgery, you may have been instructed to perform this exercise at home. It's important for you to do this correctly to keep your shoulders safe and get the most benefit from the exercise. The pendulum exercise allows you to move your shoulder joint safely without using your shoulder muscles. The key is to let your arm hang limp like a noodle. We do not want you to activate your shoulder muscles while they're healing. This is very important. First, find a table or countertop or something you can safely put your non-operative arm on for stabilization. Then let your operative arm dangle limp toward the floor. The more you bend at your hips, the more flexion you'll get at the shoulder. The pendulum exercise involves swinging your hips forward and backward to get passive movement at your shoulder. Keep your arm dangling limp to avoid activating your shoulder muscles. Use your body momentum to get the shoulder to move. Move your hips and your body back and forth to allow your shoulder to move back and forth using the momentum of your body. Again, we do not want you to use your shoulder muscles to move your arm. Perform this exercise for about 30 seconds and then stand up to take a rest. Repeat for another 30 seconds. This should be done several times throughout the day.